Hello my friends, welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to be showing you how to download and use the Logitech G Hub. So firstly, of course, in Google or any other search engine type in G Hub, it will automatically recognize that you're trying to search for Logitech G Hub. So click on the first link and download the G Hub for Windows right here. As you can see, the install is downloaded, launch it up, let it kick in. Okay, press on install. It's going to download additional files. This should be quick. Let us wait for a bit. Okay, after that it will unpack and install. As you can see, that click happened and the service have been installed. I'm gonna press no thanks here, skip that. You can choose either of these things if you want. I'm just choosing to skip them. And after that, guys, you can successfully connect your Logitech gear. So I actually am using Logitech keyboard and mouse, but these are not, I suppose, supported by this application for some reason. So I have a mouse, a wireless mouse that's from Logitech, yeah, but for some reason it's not detected, probably not expensive enough or something. But basically, if you have, for example, a wireless or wired mouse, you just insert it and it should automatically be picked up in this very home screen of this application, right? As you can see, it's not my case because my keyboard and mouse are quite cheap, I suppose, so they're not recognized, but in your case it should be recognized. And from here, after you connect your gear, you can manage your macros, for example, or adjust sensitivity for your mouse, etc. The app is very easy to use, and that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and it was insightful and helpful. Press a thumbs up on the video if you did like it. Subscribe. See you next time.